Hello, I'm here and I'm from Darjeeling. I'm working in Navotel, Kochi in Kappa. So today we are going to do different kind of sushi. It's basically from Japan. Now I'm going to start. First I'm going to make Kappa maki. Kappa means cucumber, and first we have to place the nori sheet. Then we have to rinse the hand with this vinegar to prevent the stick rise to the hand. We have to put the rice on the nori sheet. We have to put cucumber, carrots, spring onion, and bell pepper. We have to fold. This is our Kappa maki, and next I'm going to do vegetable uramaki. In maki, we keep the nori sheet first and place the rice after. But in uramaki, we have to put the rice first on the mat, in sushi mat. We have to keep the nori sheet like this. Instead of this vegetable, you can use radish also, avocado, and according to your choices. To apply some roasted sesame seed over the sushi roll. Yeah, this is our vegetable uramaki. I am going to do nigiri. This is squid, this is salmon, and for the non-veg we have to use this is wasabi. It helps the meat to keep tender. Sushi rice and make the small ball with gently, should not press too hardly. We have to put under the squid. Next we are doing our salmon nigiri. is our salmon nigiri. This is our nigiri platter, and this is our veg sushi platter.